Once upon a time, in the majestic kingdom of Chandrapur, there lived a wise and just king named Raja Vikram. His kingdom was known for its prosperity, peace, and the fairness with which he ruled. The people adored their king, and the kingdom flourished under his reign. One day, in a small village on the outskirts of Chandrapur, there lived a humble man named Mohan. He was known for his honesty, hard work, and kindness. Mohan earned his livelihood by cultivating a small piece of land and lived a simple life. Despite his modest means, he was content and grateful for what he had. Word spread about Mohan's virtues, reaching the ears of Raja Vikram. Intrigued by the tales of this virtuous man, the king decided to meet Mohan personally. He disguised himself as a commoner and visited the village where Mohan lived. As the king wandered through the village, he observed Mohan working in his fields with dedication. The simplicity and humility of Mohan impressed Raja Vikram, and he decided to strike up a conversation. "Hello, my friend. I see you work hard in your fields. What motivates you to put in so much effort?" The king asked Mohan. Mohan, unaware of the king's true identity, welcomed him warmly. "Greetings. I believe in the beauty of hard work and the satisfaction it brings. It may be a small piece of land, but it provides for me and my family. That, to me, is a great blessing." The king admired Mohan's perspective and decided to reveal his true identity. "I am Raja Vikram of Chandrapur. Your dedication and humility have caught my attention. I would like to invite you to the palace and hear more about your life." Mohan, surprised and honored, agreed to accompany the king to the palace. Little did he know that this encounter would mark the beginning of an extraordinary journey. As they reached the palace, Raja Vikram welcomed Mohan with great respect. In the grandeur of the royal court, the king asked Mohan to share his life story. Mohan began narrating his tale. "Your Majesty, my life has been simple but filled with valuable lessons. I learned the importance of hard work and gratitude from my parents. They instilled in me the values of honesty and kindness, which I carry with me every day." Raja Vikram listened intently, captivated by Mohan's genuine and heartfelt narrative. As the story unfolded, the king realized that there was much wisdom to be gained from this humble man. Intrigued by Mohan's insights, Raja Vikram decided to appoint him as an advisor in the royal court. Mohan, initially hesitant due to his humble background, accepted the responsibility with gratitude. Little did he know that his presence would have a profound impact on the kingdom. Over the years, Mohan proved to be a wise and just advisor. His simplicity and practical approach to problem-solving earned him the respect of the courtiers and the common people alike. Raja Vikram, recognizing Mohan's contribution, elevated him to the position of a trusted minister. Chandrapur continued to thrive under the joint leadership of Raja Vikram and Minister Mohan. The kingdom became known not only for its prosperity but also for its compassionate governance. The duo implemented policies that focused on the well-being of the citizens, ensuring justice and equality prevailed. One day, news reached Chandrapur of a neighboring kingdom's plan to invade and conquer their land. Raja Vikram, determined to protect his kingdom, gathered his army and strategists for a war council. Mohan, being the chief advisor, played a crucial role in planning the defense. As the kingdom braced itself for the impending battle, Mohan approached Raja Vikram with a unique proposal. "Your Majesty, instead of engaging in a destructive war, let us seek a diplomatic solution. Wars bring suffering, and our aim should be to resolve conflicts peacefully." Raja Vikram, impressed by Mohan's wisdom, agreed to give diplomacy a chance. Mohan, with his gift of negotiation, initiated talks with the neighboring king. Through patience and understanding, he managed to find common ground, averting a war that could have caused immense loss and suffering. The success of Mohan's diplomatic efforts earned him the admiration of both kingdoms. Raja Vikram, acknowledging the importance of Mohan's role, decided to make a groundbreaking announcement. In a grand assembly, Raja Vikram declared, "Henceforth, the kingdom of Chandrapur shall be co-ruled by both myself and Minister Mohan. His wisdom and dedication have proven invaluable to our land, and together, we shall continue to lead Chandrapur towards prosperity and harmony." The people of Chandrapur, initially surprised by the announcement, soon embraced the joint rule. Raja Vikram and Minister Mohan worked hand in hand to address the needs of the kingdom. Their complementary skills and shared vision created an era of unparalleled peace and progress. As the years passed, the bond between Raja Vikram and Minister Mohan grew stronger. The kingdom flourished, and their collaborative leadership became a symbol of unity and harmony. Chandrapur became renowned not only for its prosperity but also for its inclusive governance. One day, Raja Vikram gathered the courtiers and citizens for a grand celebration. He announced, "In recognition of Minister Mohan's unwavering commitment and exceptional contributions, I hereby declare him as my co-king. Together, we shall continue to lead Chandrapur with shared responsibilities and shared dreams." The people erupted in joy, expressing their wholehearted support for the dual leadership. Raja Vikram and co-king Mohan, as they were now addressed, led Chandrapur into a golden age of prosperity and enlightenment. The story of Raja Vikram and co-king Mohan became a legend in the annals of Chandrapur's history. Their legacy lived on, inspiring generations to come. The tale of a wise king and a humble man working together showcased the transformative power of collaboration, wisdom, and compassion. And so, in the enchanting kingdom of Chandrapur, the story of Raja Vikram and co-king Mohan became a timeless reminder that true leadership lies not just in power but in the ability to unite hearts and minds for the greater good.